Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Video 40. Today I want to talk about the brand new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay, what people says about this phone before Galaxy Unpackaged. This is what I want to show you. Okay, what I know and something like that. After the Galaxy Unpackaged tonight, I will make another video to show you the official specification. Now, get ready for what I want to show you. As you know now, today you will see the Galaxy Unpackaged. Okay, January 14th, 2021, and this is the all. The brand new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and S21 and another will receive a S Pen. This is what people talking about. People talking about the S Pen on this phone. As you can see, S Pen on this phone. I think that this is for the first time after many years ago. Many years ago now. This is for the first time. You can with this thing you will make photo editing and other things like that. Is it a good use for you? Is it a good use? Is it a good news? As you can see, the design is not bad. The design is not bad. The S Pen, I don't know if is good with the S Pen, but I think that it's not a bad idea. It's not a bad idea to add S Pen to this device, bro. This is what I think. Say to me what you think under this video. This is, for example, this is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Okay, as you can see, it's amazing. It's beautiful. They are not S Pen. They are not S Pen here. You can only see the port jack. On the next Samsung Galaxy, you will not see again a port jack. Port jack disappear. No port jack on the brand new device. Bro, this is definitely not a joke. S20 Ultra, S20 Ultra. People wait for this device right now. I don't know if it will, if it, I will buy this phone, but I need to show you all of this and you will say to me what do you think. Okay, now you have something like that. Three amazing devices will come in today. Three and amazing devices. Okay, as you can see the Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra. Wow, I don't know, but people talking about the resolution of the face phone, the first. People talking about full HD, full HD. Wow, Samsung passed from QHD to full HD for this phone. People don't like this news. I don't know if it's official, but it's not a good news for many people. Many people don't like this, but I also but it's not a good news. You have the inches, you have the screen. For the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, you have 6.8 inches. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, you have 6.7 and 6.2 inches for the smaller. Ah, do you like it? Look at my screen. The screen of my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus has 6.2 inches. Look at on my end, look at the end on. What do you think? What do you think? Do you like it? I think that is really small, but on the end is comfortable. You can see it's very comfortable. This is something that I like, but people like more a great screen. A great screen. For example, I'm recording this video with my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. The screen is big, is amazing. This is what I like also. But you have also the possibility to make your choice or both phone. Okay, the smaller and the biggest. Wow, this is not a joke. As you can see, this is what you will see on this phone. No port jack anymore. No port jack. Why? Why, Samsung? I'm crying. No way. Jesus help you. Look at no port jack. And if you see the S Pen on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra or 31, you will see something like that, something like S Pen here or S Pen here. Bro, this thing changed everything. Everything on this device. Wow. After this, are you ready to buy a Samsung Galaxy Note? I don't know. I don't know. I am a Samsung Galaxy Note fan, but I don't know if you are a fan of Samsung Galaxy Note. But I like also the Samsung Galaxy S, because of the pixel density is biggest than the Samsung Note device, and the screen is very nice. This is why I like more the Samsung Galaxy S screen, but it can change everything with the S Pen. Bro, look at what I'm seeing here. Look at this device. Look at the position of the camera first. Look at this camera. Look at this camera. Look at that. Do you see this? If you look at this camera, what? No way. Look at here. You can see S Pen here, speaker, USB Type-C, your mic, and what? Look at that. Look at the camera. The camera. Look at this is the camera now. Look at the camera. Do you believe this? No way. This is a case. Look at the case. Oh, bro. Look at that. Look at the hand on this device. Do you believe this? Do you believe this? Oh ho. Oh ho 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 ho. I want to see something. The camera. Look at the camera. Meet Galaxy S21 Ultra. Look at that. Do you like the position of the camera? I don't know. But it's something different than the previous version. Okay? Something different. The camera block on the corner. And good. I hope so that the autofocus is good, because the autofocus of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is very bad. I don't know how it's working now after update, but generally people don't like this. This is a great error. I don't know why you do this, Samsung. What are you doing? Wow, there's something that people talking about. Something like that. You can see S20 Ultra, 5G, S21 Plus. People talking about all of this device as 5G technology. Is it real? Maybe, but this is not official information. This is what people talking about and what I know about this device, what I know. You can see also Exynos 2100. Exynos 2100. You can see S Pen, okay, S Pen. And this is the internal storage, 512 gigabyte in the internal storage for the S21 Ultra 5G, and 16 gigabyte of RAM. Is it real? Is it real? Okay, I don't know, but this is what people talking about. There are also some specification, as you can see. People talking about this, all of this, Samsung Galaxy S21. You know 6.2 inches, and you can see here 64 megabyte, 64 megapixel. Wow, and 8 gigabyte of RAM, 4000 milliampere, and something like that. As you can see, the pixel density, you can see here. This is not official information. This is what people talking about right now. After this video, I will make another video to show you the official information. If you like and if you are ready, okay, subscribe, activate notification. And you can see so many things here. You can see the camera, main camera, all of this, what you can see here. And the price here is not official, but you will see, I will see. Okay, let's pass for on the Samsung Galaxy S21 plus 5G also. All of this device will be maybe 5G for all of these devices. Okay, you can see 67 inches, 64 megapixel, and look at this battery, more battery than the previous version. Okay, in the body you can see display. Look at the display, all of this information about the display. No way. Look at, okay, camera, the main camera, all of this. Look at all of this information. Oh, selfie, another, and the price also here, 1050 euro. What are you doing? What are you doing? Would you want to kill me or kill my wallet? God help me. Look at that also. Look at that. This is the biggest Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. Look at that. Wow. 108 megapixel. Ooh. 12 and 16 gigabyte of RAM, and 5000 milliampere for your battery. Do you believe this? Oh, this one is great. And the price, what is the price? The price, look at that. What? This is not an official version. This is not an official news, but this is what people talking about. Remember this. I wait for the unpackaged Galaxy unpackaged, okay, for us, okay, some eyes. Now you have UFS technology 5.1, and what, main camera, okay, all of this, and you can recording also on 4K, please. You can recording on 8K, okay, 8K, 24 and 30 FPS now. 30 FPS now. You can record on 4K, 30 FPS on this device. Maybe. Okay, the selfie 40 megapixel with for the front camera. Okay, this is not bad. All of these are good, beautiful, with the brand new S Pen. All of this, but I don't know what I think about this full device. I'm ready to see the Galaxy Unpackaged to see what is the real change of the device and how it's good for you and for me. Are you ready to buy this phone? Give me your answer in the description. There is something new on this camera is this thing. Look at this camera. I don't know if the autofocus is better than the previous version, but I'm ready to see the new technology from Samsung right now. Okay, you can see Galaxy Unpacked right now. Okay, in a few minutes. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and I also you enjoyed this video, and I meet you on the Galaxy Unpacked. Thank you for watching. I love you all.